Hi guys, if your GE washer shows you tank low message, it usually means the detergent receiver is empty or not being detected properly. So in this guide, you are going to learn the real causes and the easiest fixes step by step. So on your GE washing machine with the smart dispense or the bulk detergent system, the tank low means the washer detects low detergent inside the internal reservoir. So this message is common on the newer GE profile and the smart models. In order to fix it, you just have to do nothing but to just refill the smart dispense tank properly. For that, you need to simply open the detergent receiver and refill it with the correct HE liquid detergent only. Do not overfill past the max line. Using powder detergent or the thick formulas can prevent the proper sensor reading. After refilling, simply close the lid completely and power the washer off for about 1 minute. Then simply restart the machine. Now some of the GE models need a reboot before updating the detergent levels. After doing this, if the message stays on, you can also remove the detergent buildup around the tank opening or sensor area. Sometimes the sticky residue can block the level detection. The warm water and a soft cloth works best. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.